Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can fix Facebook group quality problem. So let's just get started. So firstly, the problem might occur through many ways, or let's say many problems, like let's say you are having an internet issue, or you might have some like reloading problems, or there might be something wrong with the Facebook itself. So let's just learn how you can deal with those problems. Firstly go to groups. So over here, what might be the problem is the quality of the group. The group might not be working, or let's say the feeds are not showing properly, or like that. So how you can do it, firstly just go to a new tab or new page and search for down detector, and go to this first link over there and scroll down, and you'll find this Facebook over here or somewhere like that. Go over there. So this page generally shows the status of the Facebook. So here you can have, let's say, the current issues are, let's say, if there is any problem with the Facebook going on, is the server down or anything. So currently it says user reports indicate no current problems at the Facebook. So now there is no any issues with the Facebook. So if there is an issue, it might show the message like user report indicate some current problems at Facebook. So now there are no any problems. So you can see there is no problem, and you can just reload it, second method, and the group might function well. Or what you can do is just check your internet connection, or you can just go to a new page and just search for fast.com and check your internet connection over here. So after all this, it might work, guys. Or what else you can do is just go to your account and just log out and then log in again. Then eventually everything will be okay with that. So that's pretty much, guys. That's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just comment down below, guys. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.